Don't download Sendinblue Enterprise Marketing Platform app before watching this. Before you download Sendinblue Enterprise Marketing Platform, here's the truth: it's not just an email tool. At the enterprise level, it offers some transactional emails, marketing automation and CRM, but most teams underestimate setup complexity. Step 1. Define marketing goals. Sendinblue allows multi-channel campaigns, segmentation and workflows. Most people get this wrong by sending generic messages, reducing engagement and ROI. Step 2. Structure automation workflows. Enterprise features enable lead nurturing and personalized journeys. The surprising truth is, without proper setup, automation can fail or produce irrelevant messages. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and analytics. Connecting Sendinblue to your data sources ensures campaigns are informed by real-time insights, improving targeting and performance. Step 4. Monitor, analyze, and optimize. Enterprise analytics track engagement, conversions, and ROI. Teams that act on these insights can refine campaigns and improve results significantly. The upside: proper use of Sendinblue Enterprise can increase conversions, improve customer retention, and automate repetitive marketing tasks, saving teams hours every week. So, should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can plan campaigns, structure automation, and monitor performance. For small businesses, simpler plans may be sufficient. Subscribe for more honest guidance before investing in enterprise marketing platforms.